Hey guys, sorry I'm recording so late in the week. I hope you guys like this short tutorial. I tried to write up the little video beforehand, so in a PDF. I broke it down into a process and tried to write out the steps as much as detailed as possible. So I'll start off with, okay, so this is I got the first problem. F of x equals negative 5x squared plus 2x minus 1. So that's the problem we have in sum. We're going to use the functions negative 3, 2, and negative 8. So we're going to start off with negative 3 for right here. So I'm going to erase that and clear that. All right, so first off, I'll just briefly explain the steps. We're going to plug in the functions. So we're going to replace, instead of x, we're going to put in negative 3 in place of x. And then for the next step, we're going to raise the negative 3 to the power of 2, which is basically multiplying negative 3, and then we get 9. And then you multiply these to get 45, because a positive plus a negative plus a negative is a positive. And then we get 45, like this is the result over here. And then we're going to multiply negative 3 by 2. So right here. So if you can see, negative 3 by 2 right here, we get 6. And so this is, if you guys can see, or as I'm going through, we're doing process of elimination. And so we're going to subtract 45 from 6 from 45. I don't know why it's negative there. Okay, ignore that negative. 6 from 45, and we get negative 51 minus 2. And finally, we subtract 1 from negative 51, and we get negative 52. So this is the first function. Okay, let's go down to the next, hang on, next one. So here we go. This is for the positive 2 function. So we're going to use that equation. So if you remember right here, this is our equation. So we're going to plug in. I already did the plugins right here. So you're gonna raise the 2 to the power of 2, and that leaves us with 5 times 4, because basically 2 times 2 is 4. And the two negative 2's both cancel out to a positive 4. And then you're going to multiply negative 5 and 4, and you get negative 20. Then you're going to multiply 2 by 2, and you get 4 right here. So I'm going to show you right here, 4 right there. It's a tiny 4, but okay. And then you'll add negative 20 and 4. So negative 20 and 4, we get negative 16 minus 1. And then we're going to subtract 1 from negative 16, and our function is negative 17. That's for positive 2 function. All right, let's go to the last process. Okay, this is the last one. So we're gonna plug in those values again. So like we did with the first two, we'll plug in the negative a where x was. And this time we're going to apply the product rule. So, right here. And then we're going to raise negative 1 to the power of 2. So negative 1 times LA squared plus 2 times negative A minus 1. We're going to multiply A squared, LA, sorry, I'm sorry, I don't know why I put LA, I meant 1A. Multiply A squared by 1, so that's, we get A squared by 1, because A squared is basically the same as 1A, so that cancels out and goes to the, that goes to the negative 5A squared plus 2 times negative A, goes to negative 1, and then we multiply negative 1 and 2, and we get our final function, f of x equals 5a, 5a minus 2a. Anyways, yeah, there's supposed to be a, that 5a minus 2a minus 1. So, I hope you guys, I hope you guys liked that little tutorial. Sorry for the little, bloops. But, hope you guys have a good weekend and stay safe. Bye.